Did you know one of the world's most peaceful animals lives right here in Guyana? No. Meet the manatee.
We want to share with you some facts about manatees because the last Wednesday in March every year is observed as Manatee Appreciation Day. Now, the reason that this day is observed is to raise awareness about manatees, to help persons understand the importance of manatees, to understand the threats that manatees face, and also, more importantly, for us to understand how we can protect our manatees and what positive actions we can take towards manatees.
Manatees are found in various inland water bodies and along the coast in the Atlantic Ocean. They form an integral part of Guyana's biodiversity and recreation. Often, they're the most sought after attraction when visiting the national park or the zoo. Feeding, observing, and even touching the manatees are a part of the formative initiative when visiting the zoo or the national park.
There are two species of manatees in Guyana. They are West Indian manatees and Amazonian manatee. Did you know that manatees breathe oxygen and come up for air every 3 to 5 minutes?
Manatees are herbivores. They only eat aquatic plants. Treat manatees with respect. Do not hit or poke them.
Manatees are aquatic mammals. Manatees prevent overgrowth of vegetation. Pollution affects manatees. Dispose of your garbage properly.
Both manatee species that are found in Guyana are protected species. Now, protected species are those animals and plants that persons are not allowed to interfere with in any way. And so persons are not allowed to kill manatees, you're not allowed to hit manatees, you're not allowed to interfere with them in any way. Now, manatees do face some threat from human activities. So for example, they are involved in boat collisions. They are also sometimes find themselves entangled in fishermen's nets. And so we advise persons who use rivers and waterways by boats to be mindful and to be careful as you utilize the waterways. Look out for manatees. Also, fishermen, be very observant when you leave your net to catch your fish. Now, especially for the manatees that are in the national park and in the botanical gardens, we urge persons to engage with them respectfully. Feed manatees with the grass that is there for them, that is put out by the national parks staff. Do not give them human food. Do not try to give them any beverages. And so we encourage persons to adhere to these advice to ensure that we protect our manatees and that they are treated respectfully. Remember, manatees play a very important role in our ecosystems, and so we need to protect them.
We did.
Alright, so this brings us to the end of this video. Happy Manatee Appreciation Day.